Hello everyone, welcome live in Studio CNN with me Muhammad Ali. France will not give in to terrorism, said Emmanuel Macron. After three stabbed to death in Kurds attack, Paris CNN. French President Emmanuel Macron has said that France will not give in to terrorism after three people were killed in the knife attack on the Kurds in Nice. The stabbing took place in Mediterranean city Notre Dame Basilica on Thursday at a time of heightened tension in country over Islam, secularism, and freedom of speech. One of the victims, a 60 years old woman, was found an entrance of the Kurds with a deep cut to her throat. Very clearly, France is under attack, Macron said, after a visit to scene of the attack. The country must use such attack to unite and not give into the spirit division, the French president added. The suspect, who was hospitalized in critical condition, has been identified by French police as Brahim Aouissaoui. He was unknown to French intelligence service and not the national fingerprint file, according to Richard. Aouissaui's movement on Thursday, captured by video surveillance, showed him arriving at the Nice train station and changing his clothes shortly after 8 a.m. local, according to the prosecutor Richard. Tunisia has opened its own investigation into the suspect, the country's public prosecutor office said Thursday, according to Stephen TAP News. The aftermath of Tuesday attack led to French raise its terrorist alert level to emergency, French Prime Minister Jean Castex said. An emergency level means its maximum level of vigilance is necessary in case of an imminent threat or immediately after an attack, according to French government website. The French His Hope Council said the three victims were targeted because they were inside the basilica. French Council of the Muslim Faith strongly denounced Thursday's attack and called French Muslims to cancel Thursday's religious celebration, which marked the birthday of the Prophet Muhammad. Church bell rang out across France in tribute to that on the Thursday afternoon. Eric Ciotti, a French lawmaker who represented the city of Nice and the surrounding area in the National Assembly, said the whole of France was in the mourning. The President of European Parliament, David Sassoli, has the deeply saddened by the incident. This pain is felt by all of us in Europe, he said on Twitter. Pope Francis is praying for victims, the vacation said. We will keep defending freedom or democratic values, peace and security of our citizens united face of the terror and hatred, he said Twitter. Saudi Arabia and UEA and Egypt also condemned Thursday a deadly knife attack. On the Thursday, the Turkish foreign minister said the country strongly condemns the Nice attack and offered condolence to the relatives of those who lost their lives. The deadly incident is just less as the number of apparent terrorist attacks to hit France in recent years. On October 60, Samuel Paty was killed after showing controversial cartoon of Islam Prophet Muhammad during lesson on the freedom expression. Macron subsequently used a strong defense and principle of freedom and speak and said France would not give up the caricatures which were published in satirical magazine Charlie Hebdo. The cartoons are considered blasphemous in Islam, and Macron's comment triggered whispered anger in many Muslim majority countries. In the separate incident in Saudi Arabia on Thursday, a man was arrested after attacking a court at Jeddah's French consulate with a sharp tool, according to the Kingdom State media. Thank you for the attention and goodbye.